Come and see, oh, come and see. Guys, come and see. Come and see. Come and see what YouTube has done in my life. Yeah, and God Almighty, by the way, because without God, nothing is possible, right? But I want to say that today, like, I went to withdraw the money from my bank, like the money YouTube paid like last month. So I went to withdraw it, and I withdrew $100. And before changing it, I felt like, okay, let me just come out right here to come and show you guys and motivate you in case you're a content creator, you're not yet monetized, or you're monetized but you're not yet getting the coins yet, just to motivate you that it will happen. It will happen. You see this one? I know you guys will be thinking that is it not just $100? Is it not just $100? By the way, it's not just $100 to me. It is a lot, especially if you're in Nigeria. We all know the rate right now. $1 is 1,500 naira. Imagine $1, 1,000. In fact, dollars, like, it has even dropped. Before it was way higher than that. So imagine $100. No, don't let me squeeze it. Imagine $100 to naira. That is 150,000 naira. Guys, I know you guys must be thinking that this girl, see, I'm just really grateful to God. I'm grateful to you guys too for always coming to watch my videos. Like, if you guys don't watch my videos, there's no way I'll be able to like earn anything from YouTube. So even this one you're actually watching, the fact that you're actually watching, I am grateful. I am super excited. The purpose of making this video is not to come here and bragado. It's not to come here and show off that yes, I made money. It's not to come here and show off that yes, I'm having dollars. It's not to come here, but it's just to encourage you guys for like just keep doing what you're doing. If you're a YouTuber not yet monetized, don't worry. Monetization is faster than you think. Faster than you. Just keep posting. Just keep doing what you love doing best. Keep doing that and keep posting. Never really don't say okay because I'm trying this. I've tried this method. You have checked all the creators on YouTube. All the ways of how to get 4,000 watch hour, all the ways of how to get 1,000 subscribers. Even you personally, you have used your own method. Like when you are thinking that, okay, this method, I think it will work out for me. You have tried, you actually make one of the best videos, the edit. When you edit like this, is mad. Everything. I have to beep that part because of the word. So when you edit like this, like, you used to put in your best. Some of you even pay people to even do your thumbnails, because I've actually seen some creators that pay people to do their thumbnails for them to make it look more attractive. You optimize it, you do all of those things, but yet you're still not getting that views. And then you're not, like, now you now want to relent, like trying to think that I've tried everything. What else again? What do YouTube want from me again? I'm just coming right here to tell you, to encourage you that do not give up. You are one video away. One video away. That one video that will show you to the whole world. That one video, you are one video away. You guys know, for me on this channel, the video that actually brought me out to the limelight currently is a video that I made when I was not even at home. If you have been following my channel, you know that whenever I make video, I'm always in this background in my house talking, but then I was not even at home. It was not convenient, and I just even woke up like that video was so unplanned for. Since I was not at home, I don't want privacy, so noise everywhere. I had to go to the car to shoot that video, and blah blah blah. The video is not the one that is doing well for me. So the video you least expect sometimes can be the video that will actually bring you out to limelight. And I'm grateful for everybody that have actually subscribed to me through watching that video. In case you subscribed to me through watching that video, I'm so grateful and thankful. And guys, don't worry. As time goes on in this channel, we're going to be doing few giveaways, but not now, because your girl is still coming up. Your girl is still coming up. You know, when we get to a certain level, we're going to do giveaway for my fans, because you guys are totally amazing and I really appreciate you guys. So the main purpose of making this video is to tell you, do not give up. Do not give up. You see, I'm now going to go and change this money. Yeah, do you know what I want to do when I change this money? Can you guess? I need you to guess. I want to do something. The thing is starting with letter A. Yes, letter A. That's what I want to do. Guess the word in the comment section. Anybody that gets it, I'm going to give you a special a special shout out in my next video. It's starting with letter A. Yes, that's what I want to do when I change this morning. I'm going to be changing it this morning and doing that thing that starts with A. So guess I'm putting that with the comment section. All right, in case if I just find my channel for the first time, this is L with Lika. I'm a baby girl. I talk about how you can actually grow a YouTube channel, how you can make money online by using YouTube, how you can get your channel monetized. In case if you're interested, please do what to hit on the subscribe button, do what to like, do what to share, do what to subscribe, and yes, I'd love to see you again in our next video. Bye guys.